The dowry system in India refers to the durable goods, cash, and real or movable property that the bride's family gives to the groom, his parents, and his relatives as a condition of the marriage. In India, it has its roots in medieval times when a gift in cash or kind was given to a bride by her family to maintain her independence after marriage. During the colonial period, it became the only legal way to get married, with the British making the practice of dowry mandatory. In India, dowry legally designed to safeguard the woman, and it was considered to be Siddhan, which means wealth of a woman in form of money, gift, property given solely to the woman by her parents at the time of marriage. The abuse of this custom eroded and aborted the original meaningful function of dowry as a safety net for the woman and was corrupted to become the price tag for the groom and consequently the nose for the bride. Dowry is considered the major contributor towards observed violence against the women in India. Dowry is a social evil that caused unimaginable tortures and crime towards the women. There are a lot of cases of dowry death which we have seen in decades. In all such cases, we hear how the in-laws, husband and family members torture the woman, which results either suicide or in some cases she gets killed by them. This way, dowry is This is the Indian law which was enacted on 1st May 1961, which was made to stop giving and taking of dowry. Under this act, dowry includes property, money or goods given by either party to marriage, by parents of either party or by anyone who is connected to the marriage. Cruelty. Cruelty in the form of harassment or torturing the woman. The cruelty could be in the form of verbal attack or may be accompanied by beating or harassment in order to force the woman or her family to yield to dowry. It includes both spectrum of abusive and threatening behavior, which include physical, emotional harassment. Continued abuse by her husband and his family members with threats to harm could lead to a woman committing suicide. The offense of abandonment to suicide is significant because in many cases, the accused persons often bring up a defense that the victim committed suicide at her own volition, even though this may not be true in reality. Most dowry deaths occur when the young woman, unable to bear the harassment and torture, commits suicide by hanging herself or consuming poison. Dowry deaths also include bride burning, where brides are doused in kerosene and set ablaze by the husband or his family. Sometimes, due to their abandonment to commit suicide, the bride may end up setting herself on fire.